Bitcoin ended up seeing a bounce yesterday. This was a major red candle, something we needed our traders to be ready for a crash with. But this ended up being a small star pattern. This often is a reversal signal, and we're already seeing moves back up. This is exciting to see, but tomorrow is the FOMC meeting, September 17th. We are finally going to know if we are going to see rate cuts or a stay in interest rates. What happens next in that meeting will strongly determine where Bitcoin is likely to head next. A quarter point interest rate decrease is likely to see a short-term pump in the market. However, if we stay, this is going to cause a crash because this right here, the interest rate cut, is currently priced into the market. We need to be very careful. Let me talk to you about how you can find your next entry if the price drops and how you can manage your risk if you want to try and get in before a pump happens. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 310 wins and 0 losses in our membership trades. We have a brand new future forecast, and this is talking about our next exits for altcoins. We're going to look at one of the most powerful charts we believe will call the next altcoin exit, how to download and save this chart, a risk management plan, plus how much you want to exit at the coming levels, and why we saw a sell-off over the weekend, and why we think one last big altcoin push could happen before Travis takes large exits. The final stages here, the next 30 to 60 days will determine the health of your portfolio for the long term. You can find this video here on the tradeconfident.io homepage, and if you're not a member yet, you can access it at the links in the description down below. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with price versus well money flow and trades in favor. Both are showing highly bearish signals, so it would not be shocking at all to see a drop in the market, especially if we want to bring drawings back right here. A strong support sits at $113,500, with the next one, the absolute lowest we can go without breaking our uptrend, sitting at $110,000. Anywhere in these two support ranges is where we're looking for a potential entry. If we see whale money sharply move out of the market, we need to be ready for a drop in price. We now have a double touch on the $117,000 resistance, and this may result in drops as well. Trades in favor shows a 79% chance of a drop. Upwards momentum has run out, and we're likely to reject to the downside. But this is all actively pricing in the 0.25% interest rate cut, which is expected in tomorrow's FOMC meeting. If that happens, we're definitely going to see some volatility. We may see some sell the news type events, but overall, this is likely to be bullish in the market. However, if the Federal Reserve decides to put a stay in interest rates again, this is far more likely to crash the market because all of this trading was done in anticipation of that interest rate cut. If it doesn't happen, people are going to panic and sell out quickly. Once again, we want to see whale money crashing out of the market. If whales sell, this is where the price is likely to drop. We also have upwards momentum running out with a likely rejection to the downside. So what are we looking for in terms of an entry? Simply put, we want to see price versus well money flow low. We want to see trades in favor low towards the long trade zone, and ideally a buyer strong buy signal. And you can see an example of this right here. This is what's called the bullish trifecta, and this is the combination of entry signals that earned this trader $15,700 in just over a week. So that's what we're looking at if you are wanting to buy lower in case the price drops. However, if you want to make an entry right now in anticipation of a major pump, this is high risk, and of course I'm not telling you whether or not you should enter. The way we manage our risk is to use these settings in the TC top and bottom finder. Show take profit, show market order, show buy limit 1, and show buy limit 2. We're going to drop this down to about a 6% take profit just to keep things below our current all-time high. Click OK. We're going to remove the drawings to make things easier to see. The way our entry strat, looks like we forgot the last one. Boom, show buy limit 2. Here we go. The way our entry strategy works is to split our investment into 3 equal parts. The first part goes to a market order, second part goes to buy limit 1, third part goes to buy limit 2. Once all buy orders are set up, we then set our take profit. If the price increases above the take profit, easy money. But if the price drops below buy limit 1 or 2, it's going to double and then triple our original investment, with each buy limit hit dropping our break even, bringing us into profit faster. More money in the market in profit faster serves to massively increase profit potential. So either you make money right off the bat or you make even more money later. It's as simple as that. Personally, I'd be waiting to look for a bullish trifecta before making my entry. But for those of you that are willing to take the extra risk, I highly recommend managing your risk. Now, this entry, exit, and risk management strategy is exactly how we've earned 310 wins and 0 losses in the last 30 months. You see how effective these trade setups are. We can head to the trade setups page and view our performance record. I'm not going to do it in this video because it's already starting to run a little bit long, but that is how you can view those records for yourself. Now is the time to take advantage of these indicators. Big things are happening in the market, and if you don't have these indicators yet, our members can access them for up to $550 off. Massive discounts on top of the money-making benefits like the future forecast episodes, trade setups, and the charts we give you in our future forecast downloads. If you want to get started, links are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our sign-up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab, and members are saving $150 off with this coupon code on the Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.